Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change or find your OBS recording folder location on your Windows computer. So this tutorial is pretty straightforward. Will apply for Mac OS and any devices that run OBS Studio. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to go ahead and start off by selecting the File tab up in the top left. And you want to select the Settings option. Now you want to go on the left side and select output, and where it says recording path, you can see it. This shows us where our output file path is right here. If you want to change it, you can select the browse button and then change it to a different file or folder directory as you may choose. So pretty straightforward process, guys. You would have to select the select folder button and then you would select OK to save it down here. But that's pretty much it. As always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.